I know. As lawyers and anybody in this field, we're taught to operate under this like fantasy world where jurors will follow directions that they're given. And we're just supposed to act that way. That is it. But you're right. As a real human, everybody wants to hear both sides of the story. In fact, everybody calls it a he said, she said for that very reason, because they think, we're going to hear both sides and then we're going to be able to weigh and determine the credibility of both sides. But our law says that the prosecution has the burden of proof and that burden never shifts to the defense, and that's why it is all on that one side to prove everything. There's no obligation for the defense to disprove anything. But again, you could say those things all you want. It is so true that a jury oftentimes really does want to hear the other side, especially in a case where you're arguing consent. Because how else are you going to show, the defendant's mindset that he really wasn't, trying to do anything wrong, that he really did believe that these women were consenting? It is kind of hard to convince a jury to go your way without giving them a little something from your side.